Gear shifting hard or noise while shifting the gears. First, check the clutch free play. If the clutch free play is more, the clutch will not get disengaged and shifting the gears will be hard or will make noise while shifting gears. Adjust the clutch free play between 25 to 35 millimeters. If there is less oil in gearbox, it will also lead to hard shifting of the gears or the gears will make noise while shifting. Top up the oil in the gearbox. Now check the interlocking spring. If the interlocking springs have become hard, it will lead to hard gear shifting. Replace the spring with a new one. Now check the interlock pin. If the interlock pin is jammed, it will lead to hard gear shifting. In this case, polish the pin or replace the interlock pin. Now check the shifter rod. If the shifter rod is bent, the gear shifting will be hard. Replace the bent shifter rod. Now check the shifting cone. If shifting cone is jammed on gear, the gear shifting will be hard. In this case, replace the sliding cone.